It's good morning time. The town is going to start coming awake here in a little bit. And this is called San Jair, Nevada. And this is a little small industrial area right here. And the freight train is just going to pull out of the service shed first thing this morning. And the freight train has to go down to the water tower to get water for the day. So here comes the freight train. The freight train is now going through the bridge called Black Iron 2. The other bridge is called Black Iron 1. And it's coming around to the water tank where it can fill up. It's going by the grain house right now, coming around to the water tank. Okay. It's paused at the water tank while it fills with water. The engineers on the ground have put the tower down. It's now filling with water. And after the appropriate time has gone by, it is now full of water. So they can put the water spout away and get ready to leave. Okay. Freight train is ready to start driving around the industrial area, making stops different places, adding cargo and removing cargo. And it's about now that the passenger train, before the town actually wakes up, passenger train is going to come into the station. It's a station that's shared by the bus company and the train station. We'll start the train, will start up. And it's starting up. I would put a lot more noise with that, by the way, if I needed to. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. We go once around, then come in. Okay, the passenger train will make its first loop around and it will pull into the station. No, I have to get the lights on now. The town is starting to wake up, so the town's lighting will come on. If you look around the town, you'll see different lights have come on now. It's just starting to light up. And we've got the passenger train coming into the station. Okay, here comes the passenger train. Announcing its arrival with the bells. Okay, the cars are in front of the passenger train so that the passengers can load on. Freight train has picked up some more speed now. Passengers are loaded on. So they signal that they're going to be pulling away from the terminal. Okay, the passenger train is beginning to pull away. It's loaded. And it is on its way to its destination. The brewery company, they just fired up their kilns. Is that what they're called? You see anything coming out of the brewery company? Are you? Okay, I don't see anything coming out. Okay.
At nighttime?
Huh?
Nighttime?
Yeah. As the sun starts to fade and everything is going full blast, you know, darkness comes over the town. You gonna turn that light off behind you or not? And as the freight train returns from a busy day of loading and unloading freight around the industrial complex, it's getting ready to pull into its service station where it parks for the night. Okay.